Alright guys, so today's video, we're just doing a quick dump run. I'm going to take you guys along for the journey. Let's go. Here's a good old TDI, and here's the garbage in my trailer I need to take up. Let's back this thing up, start it up, and let's go. That's even better. Yeah, good. The one thing I did forget though was this guy. And just like that, she's in. Let's go, Jeff it. Well, Jeff, let's go do our dump run. Yeah? What did you just say?
What? That's what Tanner looks like.
I didn't know. Man, you can like hardly see out my mirrors. Look at that. Oh, you're seeing me. Well, there it is. Get a good angle.
I will too.
Huh?
Go.
So I got bored and I quickly lifted the trailer up onto this snowbank for the fun of it. Right, Jeff it? Just want to see how well it can go, and it's got good suspension wise and whatnot. Really well done. And man, look how much more space I have in here now. Now, honestly, I like that. I like what this TDI is capable of, you know? So the reason why I wanted it parked right back here is because then I have all this extra space right here to park, especially where my car is right now. So I say, well, good job done. Now it's time to unhitch it. And just like that, we're all done. And just like that, this is why I park like this. And then I have all this room. I saw a parking spot right there and a huge ass parking spot right here. And I can still park a car sideways like that if I really wanted to. But we all know that's when I start collecting some more vehicles. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you guys in the next.